Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today's lesson is about sports positions. In every game, people have different roles that make the team work well. You will learn simple and clear English words to describe who does what in sports. By the end, you will understand words like player, coach, referee, goalkeeper, and captain, and how to use them in sentences. A player is the person who takes part in the game. Players run, pass, hit, or kick depending on the sport they play. They follow the rules and listen to the coach's instructions. In English, you can say, the player passed the ball to his teammate. Remember, a player is anyone who is part of the action in a sport. A coach is the person who trains and guides the team. The coach teaches players how to play better and plan strategies before a match. The coach helps players stay motivated and focused on improving. You can say, the coach helped the team practice before the big game. Coaches are important leaders who help others succeed in sports. A referee is the person who makes sure the game is fair. The referee enforces the rules and makes decisions during the match. If a player breaks a rule, the referee can stop the game or give a penalty. You might say, the referee blew the whistle to stop the foul. The referee's job is to keep the game honest and safe for everyone. A goalkeeper is the player who protects the goal in games like football or hockey. The goalkeeper tries to stop the other team from scoring. This player can use their hands inside the goal area, but only they can do that. For example, the goalkeeper saved the shot and kept the score safe. The goalkeeper is the last line of defense for a team. A captain is the leader of the team. The captain helps the coach and speaks to the referee when needed. The captain also encourages teammates and makes decisions on the field. For example, the captain gave a motivating speech before the match started. Captains lead by example and support the team through every moment of the game. Let's review what you have learned. In sports, each position has a unique role. The player takes part in the action. The coach trains and guides the team. The referee keeps the game fair. The goalkeeper protects the goal. The captain leads and motivates the players. These words help you describe what happens in any sport using clear English. Say them aloud and practice so you can speak about sports confidently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.